To create a timeline activity for your classroom, first open the Template Manager by clicking More Templates here in the Template banner. Select Other and then find the Timeline template. Click on the template to open it. Now you just need to edit the file to suit your project. Feel free to delete or add anything that you like, or to change any colors to make the template look more attractive. For example, I can change the name of this timeline to World War II and delete this placeholder text. I could also add placeholder text of my own, such as a name and date field. I could then delete this timeline to add my own. Just drag a block or line timeline out of the toolbox. You can adjust the size of the timeline if you like. Then use the options here in the Special Shape menu to change the dates or turn labels on or off, or change how the labels format. You could then drag out arrows to show your students where you'd like them to fill in an event on this timeline. Add placeholder text where appropriate to make it easier for your students to fill out the activity in Lucidchart. If you plan to print this activity, just delete any unnecessary placeholder text. Your changes are saved automatically, so when you're done, you can go to File and print this activity, or go back to the Documents page and make it a shared template that you can share with your students. Students, to complete this assignment in Lucidchart, just open a new document from the template your teacher shared with you. Now, you can just double-click the placeholder text here to add your name and the date. Then, double-click on the placeholder text your teacher created, or drag out your own text wherever you see an arrow. Or if you need to add your own events to the timeline, you can draw arrows out of the toolbox here. Finally, when you're ready to turn in your assignment, just click the Share button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll need to name your assignment if you haven't already. And after you name your assignment, click Save. Now, enter your teacher's email address and then click Done. Your teacher will now receive an email letting them know your timeline is ready to grade. Congratulations! Your assignment is complete.